Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Mentoring Channel. So, in the past session, we complete or generate service. This is in common with the JSON Open API generator. So this can pass to here, but we can pass to QA. Yeah, and ready to QA. We can put this in QA for test more later. And what is the next task we need to complete? So we need to complete our login UI. So start this login UI and continue with this the login UI. And let's see, we have all down from here, but it's time to. So with this command ng g or generate see, generate component and login. So first of all, we need to create here in our app a folder called pages. Inside pages, we can easily need to let's clear this. We need to go to pages. So cd, let's see the source and see the app. And let's clear this. And then we can page. We are, but we need to move to pages, cd pages. And now we are inside pages. We can continue and create our login component here. So we paste and we create our login component. And with this command, we can create our login component HTML or login component specification of TypeScript in case we need to make some tests, or login component TypeScript, and our login component SAS is with a style sheet to it's like CSS but more powerful. And we can continue with this. Okay, let's continue. For the moment, let's continue. And here it's okay here, a browser. And if we can see it here in pages or login, we can continue with this in C. For example, in our login, we need to create some deep here, but let's try to, how we can use this. Let's first of all, let's first of all working in our TS. Yeah, yeah. Here is our typing because here it's more easy to implement the logic here first of all, and then we move to the style. So first of all, what we need to implement a login here. So we have a login request that is equal to our login detail, and we pass the email and password. So we can create here or core or login. In this case, we can login request. This value we're going to use later, and we pass the login detail is equal to the email, and the password is going to be something like one. Okay, perfect. And then we have some handler error here, but this can be this we can handle errors Yeah, with this, because we have an error. I think we have an error response here, but let's see, because I think we need to, because to using this, we can use this error message. Yeah, like error message here. We can pass like string target part. And then we need to implement some constructor here and pass into our constructor. We need to pass the out service, that is the authenticator service, the rover, and the token service. So for this, we can pass here a private out service, but this is not the way that's working. This we need to for user controller service, and then here we need to go router, and of course we need to pass the token private token service. Uh, I think this is not created at the moment, the service, but it's no problem. We can here we can create a package. Let's see, pa- package token, and inside here we can create a token service, token service CSS. Okay, perfect. And inside this token service, so we need to import something here like inject to this can be injected, injectable, yeah. And this is for Angular core perfect. In here, yeah, we injectable into the hood, and we need this for just token servers. Now here, we don't need a constructor at the moment. We need to pass two methods here, set, because we need to pass here the token, uh, like it's storage in the local storage. The token going to be set up in the local storage, and we need to have a get method to return the token from the local store to the final user meter. Okay, so we have set here token, and yes, string, and of course we have all local store that set item token. Perfect. And here we get the token. This in return, we get the token string return as a string here, as a string. Perfect. And with that, we have our token. Perfect. Okay. So without this is not needed anymore. So here we can import, and then we can proceed with our implementation. So in the future, if a user is not registered in our application, we need to alert it to the register page. So for that reason, we are going to use navigate to register in case we don't need, in case and have a router, yeah, to register here. Perfect. with router is to navigate between different pages of Angular. We are using a lot to navigate from a page or like home or register or login and this stuff. Okay, and then we can create our method to login. Our first method to login here. So this method we need. Okay, we have this error message here, and this is a right entity or object entity, and we need to call this like our service. Login to subscribe, and here we need to pass this because this is our function, and then let's see here. Oh my god. And here we need to call this token service, but this token service is going to be an error here because we need to have this token service as a string, and then yeah, and then we navigate to the home. We have this, and then if we have an error, we can handle this with the error response. With the error response, and have here the HTTP uh, HTTP error response. Perfect. And some calls are here to the error. And we can do here like, oh my god, what happened? Like, um, error during logging error response. Sorry. But this can be perfect. Okay, perfect. Error response. And then we need to make something here like a thing. So we need to extract the error message from the error object or the HTTP error response. So let's create a const error info. And here we have error info is error response. And we pass here a message like error info message error. And here we can pass error info message by type. Yeah, error code, but here is not only with this uh, message. So message error info. So let's see because I think I have this. Oh my god. I think I need to come here error response. Hmm. We have a lot of things that we don't need here. For that reason, I'm going to delete all this. It's not necessary. So the only thing I need here is timestamp to know in what time the the record was made, the error was occurred, and I feel like let's format this. So we need timestamp, mission error, HTML error, the path status code, and the title dimensions code, and is the dimension code. And with that is okay. And we can pass here the, the error, the message error, perfect. Error report. Please try again later. And then we can push this error into the message. But we need to drop this because it's not the way. We need to close this. I forget something. Let's see. No, no, no. No, yeah. Let's see. I'm not here because I have any type. Oh, oh yeah, no, I know the problem here. The problem is we need to specify here a type. To do that, we specify we about it, and then this or okay. And then in the subscriber, we missed something here. Now it's perfectly, but we need to what happened in the response? This didn't happen. Let's see. In this place, they have any type, but we have login. We have our login right here. It's outside the log. Oh, yeah, because we need to do login option perfect. Because this matter inside or service perfect. In all services, you should control the service perfect. And here we have for login already created. Then we need, for example, navigate to the register. So we need to play a matter here, register. And yeah, this is the way it is working. Well, you need to specify here some errors in case we have a message here. Perfect. And I put here, register, here home, which recently you need to put the slash, and here I've called the slash. But if this is complete at the moment, the login, but we need to make some style here. So let's try to make some style here into our login, into our login estimate. And we're going to try to do this. First of all, we need to remove this and we need to create it. So inside this div, um, we can use a container to like all these in a car and have or a beautiful coloring more centralized. Well, let's try to do this in real time. Let's try to do this in real time to see how beautiful our application and play and you saw that we are showing the service running. Okay, perfect. So let's see guys. To see our application here, we need to add something. We need to add a co-author for uploading here. So we're now uploading here. Sorry, for open use. It's not necessary. For uploading, we need to into the scroll. We need to add something here like well, not into the routing. It's not into the routing. You can Uh, don't change anything to the route tracking. It's going to the road. And here into the roads, you need to add some code here, like logging there. And the component is using this component, and you need to import this, and that's perfect. So, if we go into here to login, okay, everything is, let's see that component. Nine, nine dots. Nine. Let's see here. Okay. Let's see. Three. Using something. Component. Okay, perfect. But not can come about empty you know, you don't need anything here. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens here. Not working in this. Okay. And let's see. Working. Working is okay, perfect. But again, it's no problem for some reason, but no problem. We can continue. This is no problem. Okay, let's continue with our application. And here we have a div. And the this div is into better in this class. Container the class justify. This is combustion content center R item center. Yes, then we know how these are. And then we need to have another big here. So we're going to calling now we're going to pass the class car login car. Then we have the big class to the body, car body. And then we can proceed to add some image here, but for the moment we don't have image, but I think we can add, for example, let's see, into source, we can add some image into source because we're going to use all the, yeah, but we can delete this, add this now, and keep all of this. Perfect. We have some image here, and we can add the image. And I just think we can add the folder the code we need for the moment to the last time. But here we have a problem here. And the problem is, so the problem here is we need some dependencies to download it. So this is um, this is municipal for John Isha now work on. I start by online sorry. So with this, we can let's see what happened here. Can bind to the engine model. Hmm. This engine model, we need to, we need to, no, this is not a way. I know the way is going here to the topic conf numbers. And we need to, in the app mode, we need to assume um, we need to have the engine mode here, but if we need to add something here, I don't remember now. A component versions of the home, the working wire and the mounts. Another maybe. Yeah, this is the way for mothers to being all different form. Okay, perfect. But we need another ones because we need also here the reality because I have some reality numbers that later I'm going to create the code inputs, the code input. Why can I don't have this already download? Why can I download my program? HTTP client model and yeah, provider HTTP client update automation info environment. Okay, so let's see what happened here. Oh no, up component, other component, version models, stop routing, HTTP client model, but we have another, but for some reason we can see our login component at the top. Right. It's a mystery. Yeah, now we can see because now we have a lot of what happened here. You know, you in the start bound, work on, work on, welcome to start bound, welcome to start bound. Like email password from your password. Oh, yeah, in a start bound. I used them now. So it's beautiful now. It's not too beautiful because we need to make some style here to make all this responsive. So I put the code here because it's more quicker for us and don't spend some time writing all the code manually. But this class is the class that have the responsibility to involve all this in a car and or a container. Here we put the image in below out top the test. And we have some error messages to handle the error message. We use ngif. This is a declaration or a directive on where to make or HTML code or implement Angular code into the HTML. And we have another daily model is to be the different variables we have or parameters we have into our TypeScript logging component and capture when a user to fill all these parameters like email and password. And then, of course, we have some bulletin hairs and navigation to navigate to the register in case we don't have a car. But in our stack, for example, here in the login component access, we need to add some style here, like to do this more beautiful. We need to add the login card, the card body, and all this stuff. And yeah, we have our welcome to Starbucks online, more beautiful, more responsive, and we have UI more friendly. So this is the way uh, we use, and this is the first step that we are completer. So let's close our task now because we completed the login. We can pass the QA and continue with the register UI in the next video. Thank you so much for subscribing to the Mentally channel and don't forget to click the like button and share the video. Also comment in the video in the comment section. And thanks so much. Ciao.